remind you that love isn't happily ever after. Love is the experience of writing your story. It's not one moment, not even this moment. It's every moment. Big ones like saying, I love you, moving in together, getting engaged, but mostly a million little ones that come in between the big moments. Falling asleep next to one another, making dinner together, spending holidays with your family, binge watching Netflix shows, getting a big hug when you get home from work. These everyday moments fuse together into one big experience. And now, by the power vested in me by the laws of the beautiful state of California, I pronounce you husband and wife. You may now close everybody out.
Anyhow, it's just a wonderful, happy day for everyone, all of the families, friends and relatives, and my really great friends and family. And we're just ecstatically happy to have Tommy and her family. He is my third son. That's the third, fifth son.
It was a few years back and I didn't see Tom ever get married. I don't think he did either. And then he brought this little girl to a dinner with me and his mom. And it was shortly after that I figured this is the one. We're glad to have you and we love you.
I have this, so I just have this forever memory planted in my mind of Tina as a young kid sitting on the couch with this big teddy bear. I don't remember the name of the teddy bear. Stephanie, you probably remember because you used to hang out with us. So, Tina sitting on the couch with this teddy bear as a kid. So I see her and Tommy sitting together. Teddy bear. So, this is the memory that I want to keep in my mind for the rest of my life. Tina has her teddy bear again.
Hey, and I have all my noses and ears and stuff, like one's not ripped off.
But I love you guys. I'll never forget the first time that Tina invited Lisa and I out to have dinner with Tommy, the first time we met him.
You're welcome.
After we left the restaurant, Lisa and I both looked at each other and said, oh my God, we really like this guy. He's nice. He's a nice guy. We like him. So why the hell did it take you this goddamn long time? That's all I was saying. Thanks, you guys.
Thank you.
I'm Lisa, I'm Dennis's wife, Tina's sister-in-law. I remember the first time I met Tina. She came into the house and we both just looked at each other and went, oh my God, I'm looking in the mirror. We both had glasses, we both had long hair, and we were both wearing overalls. And the kids kept going, Auntie Tina, and I was like, who's Auntie Tina? And it was Tina. And I'm glad I met Tina because me and Tina grew as sisters even before me and Dennis got married. We even share the same birthday, which is very strange.
It's a little creepy.
Just a little creepy, Dennis. But Tina, you should have been going to the gym sooner, so you could have met Tommy sooner, because that's how Tina and Tommy met, at the gym. Thank 24-Hour Fitness, everybody. Tommy, like Dennis said, the first time we met you, we did both say, holy crap, we like this guy. I hope Tina and him end up together. And fast forward to today, Tommy, Tina, congratulations. We love you.
I just wanted to say a few words. Everyone is talking about memories, so I figured I'd put a memory here. I remember being about 5 years old and coming to California.
Oh my God, so sorry.
And you guys had Tommy Two-Tone, a trumpet player, playing Jenny. At 8675309. And I wouldn't stop playing it until I ran into one of your bedrooms and hid because I was so embarrassed. But the bottom line is, I've always lived up to you guys. No matter how many miles apart we are, I've always still felt we were connected. And I'm very proud of our family and where we come from. So Tommy, in the midst of meeting you for 5 minutes, didn't take much time to know that you guys are perfect for each other. And I love both of you and welcome to the family.
Tommy, I hope this does not make you cry. Because I'm already going to start to cry. But your mom said to me, I bet Tommy's my girlfriend. Oh my God, she's got all these tattoos. But you know what? I really like her. I just had to tell you that.
I'm Auntie Ann.
Yeah, Auntie!
This party started.
Well, needless to say, Tommy is a very special person in my life. But his mother and I are like sisters from another mother. And when he brought Tina home, I only said one thing. She's the one.
I met Tommy when he was 15 and I was 18 at a soda wash pit. Ever since then we've been off. He's definitely one of the most respectable guys I've ever met, and I'm definitely glad that you hooked up with such a super cool person, Tina, and I really hope you guys hit it off. Simone, you want to say a couple things? Anyway, much congratulations. This is well overdue for sure, and it's definitely happy to know you guys and be part of your guys' lives.
Hi, I'm the cousin. I just want to congratulate Tina and Tommy. When I first met them, it was at the airport. And we hung out and we had a good time, and now we're here. So I wish you guys a lifetime of happiness.
Thank you.
So I'm a little drunk on the Mai Tais, but that's my new uncle. I'm a little bummed because I was supposed to marry him, but that's okay. But
It's not too late.
it's not too late, Tommy. We can do this now. Tommy, ever since I met you the first time at Philippi's and I told you to sit down next to me, we hit it off.
Oh, all right.
And it's been weird ever since, so it's awesome. And then when you took me,
Too late to propose to me, bro.
and then when you took me as your +1 to your work party, that was pretty awesome. You know, my older uncle, he never took me to nothing like that, so I was kind of excited as an uncle. But in the end, I just want to say congratulations, and I know you guys are perfect for each other.
Take my whole life, for I am falling in love. You are so beautiful to me. You are so beautiful to me. Can't you see? You're everything I ever hoped for. You're everything Congratulations and wishes of great happiness.